Man, it just gives them a real life experience. Showing up on a job, they get to build the house from start to finish. So they're on it from August when we start and till May when we're done. We do as much as we can, from framing to flooring to trim work. You name it, we try to do it.
First of all, you got to learn how to measure quickly. And you know how to measure with a ruler usually when you graduate elementary school, but you just used to do it faster and more precise here. You learn how to drive a nail, you learn how to use all the different equipment. Well, you're not learning math, you're not learning English, you're learning hands-on stuff.
We try to do what we can to expose the kids to as much as possible. Give a 18-year-old kid a chance to get out to a job site and really work in the field. I just think it's something that you can't diminish. It's something that you'll remember for a long time.
I didn't think we'd be doing all the house, but we did all of it, and it's just cool look back on the first day and what we did, and look at it now. It's just all done.
This would be the third year we've done it. This is the third house we built. We're in partnership with Shelby Lumber Design Build. They buy the lots, supply the materials, line up all the subcontractors, and that's kind of what we are. We're kind of considered a subcontractor.
Yeah, it's a good term. We're the general contractor on the project. We try to get them exposed to the majority of the project start to finish, because the more the kids can see how a project like a house goes together, better. On-the-job experience it is something that you can't replicate in a classroom. That's the cool thing about this program. You go from starting in the shop, maybe building a small piece of furniture, and now you're out building a house. That's very unique. You don't get that in a lot of opportunities, especially while you're going to school.
Yeah, it's very important, yeah. I've taken engineering classes, I've taken woods classes, welding, and it all deals with type of this stuff. I love hands-on stuff. I'm going to go into civil engineering, so I'm going to be doing structural, but I don't know if I'll actually be doing the hands-on. I'll be doing more the designing and drafting. But it's nice to know where the roots of it come from.
I probably have at least every year half my kids go into something with construction related. I definitely, if they have this in high school, I would have for sure pursued it.
If you want a career, there's many opportunities to do whatever you want in the field. If you're a kid with motivation and a desire to work and get up every day after high school, you can do anything.